Spring cleaning season is here, so I'm doing like my little reset of all of my stuff. And now, one of my favorite things that I have is, you know how your like kitchen sink gets a little stinky at times? I have this little thing and it's called the Fun Guy. It's like a little mushroom, but all you do is put some baking powder in there, or baking soda, sorry, do not put baking powder. Baking soda into it, and then you put its little mushroom cap on. I got it all over me, but it's fine. Now you just put this in the fridge and it absorbs all the scents that you have in there and it gets rid of all the stinkiness. Absolutely love this. And it's better than just having a box of baking soda in there. You can have this little cute thing, just put it in the back of your fridge. I absolutely love this thing. I think it's the cutest thing. But I'm gonna go keep resetting all of my stuff. I have a lot of spring cleaning to do.